Hey guys, so today I'm going to share to you the informations on how I manage the social media or my own social media. So first, for example, my next week's social media content will be about how to start my virtual journey as an virtual assistant and some checklists. So these are the main contents that I'm going to post on my social media platform on the next week. So on WordPress, this will be the content on August 12th and August 13th. This will be about checklist guided starting my virtual assistant journey. And I'll be posting most of them on Facebook and TikTok. So I've also included here some photos on what will be the informations that I'm going to include on the post. So will it be about a video of or a checklist and how to create a checklist, a guide on how to um, start the virtual assistant journey, the travel planner. Oops, sorry. And also the captions. What would be the captions on my Facebook account and what would be the caption on my TikTok account? So this is still ongoing. So the checklist and the virtual assistant journey, I've already started it, so it's already ongoing. And the importance of travel management, I have already started it also, so it's ongoing. I'm about to I'm about to edit them. So I haven't made yet the importance of calendar management and how to organize Google Calendar and achieve that ideal calendar. And also the inbox management using Gmail. I haven't started it yet. So yeah, um, this is how I basically manage my social media management. And thank you for listening. Bye.